musatukirwa zviripo.
So that people can really insult you over something substantial.
Inini wacho
I myself
ndakudawo this time around kunyazotukirwa zviripo.
now want this time around for you to insult me over something that's really happening.
This does something to your income. If your income knows that it has a responsibility that is systematic, if your source knows, ipapo ungafunga kuti but mari yacho manje haisi kukwana izvo kuti kazotanga
That the money
nezvizvi.
is not sufficient, so now if I start this,
Do you know kuti mombe ine mhuru imwe chete
you know the cow that has a single
sisa
calf
mukaka wemhuru imwe chete?
is going to
Next time
produce enough
mombe iyo
milk for
ikazvara
one.
matwins inoita mukaka wematwins.
But if it's to have twins, it will have enough milk for two.
Hameno mwari akazvigadzira sei,
I don't know
your
how God
source
designed it.
somehow will know kuti you have a monthly contribution. Your source. You see, when I talk to people like this, when it comes to my issues of giving, we have been going on for, I've watched my men of God, most men of God, after every service, vanotenda my personal partners.
They think they are personal partners.
You see, have had my partners who are partner in my projects.
We've had partners who partner with our projects.
Yeah. And this school, my partner in my projects.
I'm not looking for project partners here. I'm looking for personal.
Apa musapakata.
And don't cut this part out.
Musapabvisese pakadaro.
Don't remove this part. Leave it as is.
Toda kuona anoti bufu kunzi tamuona achikohwa mumunda make.
I want to see anybody who complains that I was harvesting from my own
Kuti nyaya
field.
imhangarwe kumapurisa kunzi
And I would want you to report that to the police
taona munhu achikohwa
and say that I saw a man
mumunda. Zvonzi
harvesting
mani, zvonzi munda
in a
wake.
field, and when they ask you whose field, they'll say his own field.
Hauzi munda wako, munda waMwari.
It's not your field, it's God's field.
Yeah. Jesus.
That's it.
What do you want to do every month? Because kumwe kwese une commitment
Because
yerent
everywhere else,
inotozivikanwa kuti
You have a
it's every
commitment
month.
that is known. You've got a rent commitment that's known to be monthly.
Kuchechi kunoku unotozotipawo paunenge uchitoda.
Here, this church will give us as and when you feel
Kana
it.
wakatofarisa ndo patinotowana.
When you're overexcited, that's when we might get a bit of something.
Ina hangu
Personally,
handichada kunyanya
I no longer want to
kudzoka kwamuri tichinetsana nezvinhu izvo nezvozvo nezvo.
keep coming back to you and asking for money over
Kana
things like that.
wazviwanirawo mhuka yako wavhima wega
If you have hunted somewhere and you've captured your own animal,
isatipindire, but tiri
we
kuti
don't get involved.
ukaita kuti tikunamatirewo
But we're saying that if you cause us to pray for you,
tichimira newe
and we stand
chirwara
with you,
tichikuporesa
and then you're sick, we heal
uchidzokera
you,
kubasa
and you send you to work,
wodya wega.
and then you want to consume all that by yourself. No,
Aiwa.
no.
Handichada.
I don't want that anymore.
Aiwa, aiwa.
No.
No, we received a prayer, a message from a certain man of God. Great man of God. Just a prayer. We came across the prayer. He went into my pages and he made sure that he sent a prayer. He declared things, wonderful things over my life. The things that he said in that prayer. The things that he said in that prayer. I said in return, can you fly someone that you trust to a certain country? Not here, to a certain country. Because I want to give my amen to the prayer. And he sent somebody that he trusts to that country. Somebody in that country met him, the man that was sent the messenger. And he was given 300,000 US dollars. I said, go and give to the man of God. That's my amen to the prophecy that he has declared over my life. It's not a whole sermon. It's wishing me well. It's not that he is poor. He might never spend that money. But that's my response to spiritual things. If a man can talk to me, can one prayer for me, and he receives that, it means he has prayed for the right man of God. How many people has he prophesied to? And suddenly he has prophesied to the right person. Those people are very rare. They are not many.